Dove's care begins with sustainably sourced palm oil. Arriving in massive tankers, workers verify certifications and temperatures, maintaining exactly 45 degrees.
Coconut oil, the secret to our formula. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing. We examine viscosity and purity. With precision instruments,
Raw materials are stored in controlled vaults. Sodium hydroxide, stearic acid, glycerin, and botanicals are here. Our system tracks every milliliter. Inside our facility, enormous reactor tanks are meticulously prepared. Workers manually inspect every corner.
Tank 3 is clear, ready
The
for charge.
saponification process begins. Sodium hydroxide is introduced.
Palm oil enters the reactor. The mixing arm begins the saponification process. Triglycerides bond with sodium hydroxide to create soap. Temperature monitor every variable in real time. The reaction intensifies. The mixture becomes a thick emulsion. This is saponification. Our team takes hourly samples, testing consistency and pH levels.
Now we introduce our signature ingredient, refined glycerin. Exactly 85 liters per batch, measured with pharmaceutical precision. The soap must cool gradually. Rapid temperature changes would damage the molecular structure. Our cooling jackets slowly extract heat, a controlled descent that ensures quality.
as the temperature drops below 60 degrees, the soap begins to gel. This transformation is critical. Too fast and it becomes brittle. Too slow, it won't hold its shape. Today, it's
The cooled soap batch is transferred. A massive hydraulic ram forces the soap through a precisely engineered die that shapes it into strands. The die
As 2,400 kilograms of soap are forced through the die, a continuous ribbon of Dove soap emerges, perfectly formed.
Strand quality nominal, continuing run.
Every 3.2 seconds, a precision blade descends, cutting the continuous strand into individual bars. It's a choreography of engineering.
Individual bars now enter our tunnels. Temperature and humidity are precisely managed, dropping over a 4-hour journey. Flows through rotates twice, ensuring even drying.
The bars enter our curing chambers for 6 weeks. This allows moisture to migrate, hardening the bar. Temperature, 25 degrees. Humidity, 45%.
Proved bars move to our packaging line. Speed and precision merge. Bars are grouped into sets of 6, placing them with 0 drops. The tray moves to the wrapping station. Layers of packaging are applied. The iconic Dove box is wrapped. Film is sealed smoothly, all in 8.3 seconds.
Wrapped packages move to case boxing. Each cardboard master case holds 15 packages. One-seal tape. Each case is labeled with batch information, ready for shipment.